Students, hope you all agree. Today we're going to take chapter 5, lesson 1, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, energy of motion. So what's meant by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is an energy of motion. For example, a ball rolling down a ramp has a kinetic energy. Look, when this ball rolling this ramp, so this is a kinetic energy. So this ball has a kinetic energy or energy of motion. You walk up a flight of stairs, turn a page in a book, or write sentence, you have a kinetic energy. When an object goes faster, it has more energy. So when the object becomes faster, it has more energy. Using kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of gas molecules can turn a wheel. Wind energy generates electricity by using kinetic energy from a wind to spin a turbine. Steam or moving water also powers turbine. These are ways kinetic energy generate energy people can use. So energy or kinetic energy, it's very important to generate electricity. Look, when this fans move, it generate what? It generate an electricity. Electricity by kinetic energy. As when it gets faster, there is a more kinetic energy. So here, the kinetic energy of gas molecules of air can turn a wheel. This turn a wheel of the fan, and also wind generate electricity by using kinetic energy from wind to spin a turbine. When you measure kinetic energy, you measure the energy that moving objects have. Two factors determine the kinetic energy of moving objects. So we have two factors that affect the kinetic energy of any object or of a moving object. These two factors will be mass and speed. So first we should know the meaning of mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, while speed is the distance an object moves in a certain amount of time. So speed is like a velocity, while mass, amount of matter in an object, amount of matter. So we have two factors that affect the kinetic energy is mass and speed. As when speed increase, what happened to the kinetic energy will increase. When speed increase, kinetic energy will increase. So again, what's meant by kinetic energy? Energy of motion. Any motion, there is a kinetic. Any object, when any object move, there is a kinetic energy. So we use the kinetic energy to generate an electricity, like when when air molecules move this wheel, it generates electricity. That's it. Thanks for watching.